Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing shrikes. There are a few dozen living species of shrikes in the world. Most of them are found in Africa, though these birds can also be seen in Asia, Europe, and North America. They're distinctly lacking in Australia, South America, and Madagascar. There are other birds commonly known as bush shrikes, cuckoo shrikes, and helmet shrikes, but since they've recently been reclassified into their own groups separate from true shrikes, we'll leave them for a future discussion. True shrikes are classified in the family Laniidae and are currently believed to be somewhat related to crows and ravens. Shrikes may be found in a range of habitats from sea level to more than 3 miles in elevation in mountainous regions. They live in forests, open country, and even urban parks and gardens, though they do typically require some sort of perching area, such as a tree, bush, or even telephone pole in their habitats. Shrikes are classified in the perching birds order, in which more than half of the living bird species are classified. This order is sometimes known as the songbird order, but the shrike is a perfect example of why that common name is considered erroneous. Many people find the shrike's song as nothing more than shrieking, and in fact, the name shrike is thought to come from the shriek-like calls that these birds make, which sound something like this. Shrikes are also known as butcher birds. This name comes from how these birds interact with their prey. Shrikes range in size from 6 to 12 inches in length, including their tails. Some of them are literally called long-tailed shrikes after all. In weight, they may be anywhere from just over half an ounce to more than 3.5 ounces. For reference, a tennis ball weighs about 2 ounces. Their weight is important to note because some shrikes are able to carry up to 3 times their weight while flying, meaning they can take on some sizable meals. Shrikes are sit-and-wait predators that scan their surroundings from a perch about 3 to 30 feet off the ground. These birds frequently take arthropods such as beetles, mantids, spiders, and grasshoppers, but they may also take larger prey like small vertebrates including rodents, lizards, and small snakes. Shrikes can even de-sting bees and wasps by grabbing these insects by their abdomens and rubbing their rear ends on a surface. Shrikes will also keep personal pantries from which they can eat for days. These birds will take prey items and skewer them on plant thorns or even barbed wire fences. This food may be returned to you days later for the shrike to consume at its pleasure, though sometimes they won't even return to their banquets. While all shrikes have raptor-like bills that come in handy for their butchering behavior, males and females may look quite similar or drastically different. It all depends on the species. Those living in higher latitudes will travel south for the winter. However, those living closer to the tropics are usually year-round residents. Shrikes typically breed during the warmer months and defend their nesting territory. Their nests may be on the ground, in trees, or in shrubs, and generally 2 to 8 eggs are laid. These eggs are typically incubated by females as males are on defense duty. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks for the eggs to hatch, and the young remain in the nest for another 2 to 3 weeks. They'll be on their own within 2 months and begin breeding the following year. The greatest threats to shrikes are predators, including goshawks, falcons, lizards, foxes, crows, and more. They can also fall from exhaustion during their migrations or suffer from habitat loss and consumption of pesticides in their invertebrate prey. If they can avoid these challenges, however, shrikes may live to be more than 10 years old. For more facts on shrikes, check out the links in the description. Thank you to Goatee, Parasitic Graffiti, and Kafanerai for today's request. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.